and welcome to the December Makerspace Virtual Challenge. We're so excited to be back together again.
Yay.
This month we will be getting in the holiday spirit by playing with lights and circuits.
A huge thank you to the Apex Public School Foundation and Crossroads Forward of Apex for their financial support for this project.
Electrons only flow in loops, and this complete circuit allows electrons to flow from the battery through the LED and back to the battery. This round-trip flow of electrons, called current, causes the light to turn on and shine. This continuous loop forms a complete circuit. Electrical energy can also be produced through other forms, such as thermal, sound, and light, and of course today our focus will be on light.
In our makerspace, we have a Chivi's Light Kit that allows you to learn the fundamentals of circuits. If you are interested, you can request a make and take kit to learn more about circuits.
To request a kit, fill out a Google form and then post your creation on social media.
You may receive a gift card to Chick-fil-A.
Thanks for participating in the December Virtual Makerspace.
Thank you.